The BBC has done live streaming for decades, but it's changing. A revolution is beginning with live streaming. Audience habits are changing. Our audience no longer just presses one on their telly. They expect to find the things they want to find at the times that they want to find it. So we need to make sure that our platforms keep up with the help of BBC R&D to try and really innovate in this space so we can offer higher quality live coverage online than we've ever done before.
What we're building is a system that will let you turn up at a live event. That could be a sports event or a music festival with some simple tools. That could be a phone, it might be a broadcast camera, and plug those into a public internet connection. All of that is backed by a live production system running in the cloud that deals with handling all of the high quality media that you need to make your production happen.
When you are looking at how you're going to cover a live event, in the old world you would have driven an OB truck up and a satellite uplink truck, and you'd have pointed it at a satellite and downlinked it back into the building. And in the world of IP technology, that's just not even a thing anymore. As long as you've got a decent internet connection and a decent mobile signal, you can send footage back from anywhere in the world, and it's so much cheaper.
IP production is about using IP networks and regular computers to make broadcast content. The benefits for production teams are going to be really, really big. They're going to be able to work more quickly, they're going to be able to work in locations that would be really hard to broadcast from at the moment, and they're going to have a whole suite of new tools that will make it a lot simpler to make TV content.
Live streaming is a massive part of how our audiences now consume live coverage. So a good example of that would be the FA Cup final, where we had 9 million people watching it on BBC One. We had 1 million people in addition to that live streaming it either through the BBC Sport website or through the app.
BBC News, their absolute main requirement is if they've got a reporter on the scene to be able to start instantly filming. There's a great competition often between news agencies, broadcasters, to be the first to broadcast, and this is one tool that will absolutely do that.
Absolutely none of this happens without the design and engineering and R&D team. This is an internal partnership that only works if we all come together.
One of the tools that we've been working on recently is a vision mixer that runs inside a web browser. Production teams can see multiple cameras, they can mix which ones go to air, they can add graphics, all the things that you would normally do as part of a TV production, with the exception that you don't need an outside broadcast truck and you're not in a traditional studio gallery. You might be at home using a laptop.
We are desperate. We need this technology yesterday.
It will allow us to show more content, a wider range of content, and deliver it in a personalised way to our audiences in a way we've never been able to before.